outside. Everyone's lining up to see us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are killing the haters with kindness, because what else would you be doing, you know? Wow. that took a lot of breath out of me, I don't know why. So you want to know what I'm doing right now? I think you do. First, I just painted my nails. They're purple. Wow. Also, can I just say that my nail polish is actually called In My Feelings? Wow. It's really accurate. Fun fact. This is me a week before, and I already have my suitcase ready. This is my suitcase. This is one of my favorite suitcases I've ever owned, by the way. It's so cute. It's so cute. It also goes with my nails. Ooh, I did not plan that, but I'm all here for it. So, if you're wondering why I have my suitcase already, it's because people are texting me. So can you shut up, please? Just like give me a moment, please. I'm trying to vlog. Okay. So now that that's settled, the reason why I like to pack early is because if I pack things that I don't want to wear later and I decide not to wear them, I will unpack those things and then repack cuter things, because that's just how I am, and take it or leave it. Okay.
A few moments later.
So I'm thinking of bringing this romper. It's really cute. It's so cute. I think it's one of my favorite items of clothing in my closet. So yeah. Looks like this. It's cute. It has a little like slit, like where my stomach is. It's so cute. Also, fun fact, I got a new desk lamp. My dad just put it in for me like a week ago, like on Friday, and it just like there's these cute colors. We're gonna do purple because it matches my nails right now. But yes.
2 weeks later.
Hello everyone. So this is the night before. We are all packing. Of course, you guys already know that 2 weeks ago I packed already. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear the background, but my sister is currently on the phone with my niece. She's also coming to Niagara Falls, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Actually, wait, give me a moment. Father, would you like to say hi to my vlog?
Hi,
Where are we going tomorrow?
Niagara Falls.
Cool.
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. But my dad and mom are packing now. My sister already packed.
Everyone started packing.
Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
This is, and also I will get this vlog up to you guys by like Saturday morning-ish, because I'm gonna have a lot of clips to put into my laptop today and tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you all tomorrow morning when we are leaving, well, officially leaving for Niagara. So yeah, bye.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Today is the day. Today is the day that we leave for Niagara Falls. I told myself I was going to sleep in until like 12-ish, you know, because I'm supposed to meet up at my cousin's house at like 4 with everybody there. So we're supposed to like drive there and then get there by 4 and then leave like 4 p.m. And I woke up at 9 and I wasn't supposed to, because 9 o'clock is not early for me. 9 o'clock is not late for me. You know, my latest I wake up is like 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. So, we love that. But anyways, yeah. I also have to pack like one more Shawn Mendes sweater because, you know, really like Shawn Mendes.
Calling random numbers with the name Shawn Mendes, trying to find Shawn Mendes because he's my husband.
And then I need to just wear my outfit and do my makeup and put my contacts in. And then I need to pack my glasses case because, you know, kind of need these. Because without them, I can't see a thing. But yeah. And then I need to pack, I need to pack my leather jacket because it's supposed to be raining and I get cold really fast unpacking that. And I don't know if that's the best jacket to take, but you know what? It's supposed to be like really warm, so yeah. So yeah, but I will see you guys in a bit. We're leaving. This is my outfit. Very cute. I made like 5 TikToks, so that's fine. This is my suitcase. I need help bringing it down because it's really heavy and well, you know, I'm not as strong as I think I am, or as people think I am. So yeah, pretty much. My bag's the heaviest. I don't know why.
I don't even have my laptop. I'm not
smiling. I'm not smiling.
No. You're choking.
I am joking.
From Mo.
Oh, yeah.
Zinab is at her place.
She didn't know.
Mo told her she was getting picked up, and Fua said that she would be there. So
Nobody knew.
Nobody knew.
And then she called her.
Baijan on his way home is picking her up.
Okay.
Oh, Baijan is
Oh, did you watch
coming.
all the
Let me
episodes
move my
of
car so I don't-
No.
It's kind of slow.
Where are you from?
I haven't gotten very far in Loki. Hello, vlog. Hi. What's your name? Say your name.
Allie,
Say how old you are.
10.
Okay.
Did you go to the washroom?
I don't know how I feel about this hat.
Or not this?
I want one
I feel like you can see so much of my forehead. I might just not do that. What do you think?
No.
I like.
I'm 52 this year.
You know I picked that hat out, right?
I like.
I picked it out.
You should have gone with some meat and action.
I have a Spider-Man hat.
It's a brilliant. But it's upstairs.
And this is okay?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Please tell
Mel's
vlog.
We're both wearing.
Yes, we both have.
I did it.
Oh, look. 2 braids, 1 braids, no braids. Wow, great.
Sandwiches.
I want this.
I don't know where to put these. I'm now just holding sandwiches.
Milako.
Here, take your sandwich.
These are massive. These are big, yeah.
I don't know where. Is she calling?
Give me last one.
Why?
Are they coming out?
You gotta hide. You gotta hide. Are you recording? Yeah,
Hey.
yeah, it's going in my
Give me
vlog.
the pasatão.
You gotta. There we go. Now you're good. You want
Mom opened the door and left the car.
Yeah, where's Mom? Where is Mom?
He's in the car. And he just left the door open. It's raining.
So he was saying.
We're gonna close it until close that one.
Saying, like, oh, I don't know
The
if he's
seat's
like she's
getting all
not.
wet. Where's Zinab?
Hi.
What do you mean? What do you mean you don't know where she is?
Yeah.
She's not. She's coming though.
Okay. Don't worry, she has a car. She'll make it there.
That's a rude.
Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
They all thought I was at your place. Yeah, if they weren't gonna pick me up. Yeah. Yeah.
Kid 7.
Say hi to my vlog.
It's what? It's way my feeding
Say hi
us
to my
all.
vlog.
Oh, the best.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Where's Mila, maybe?
Where is she? Is she?
I have all this space to myself.
No.
Forgot you.
Oh.
Melody, say hi to my vlog.
Back if they want drinks, that's fine. They know too.
I told you, you have to do the thing, Jim.
Move your butt.
Move your butt. I told you that's how you do it. You were like, no, I don't want to put the whole chair down. Now pull this. Yeah.
There you go.
I'm not sure.
Are we on the
I
same?
think
It smells like a hotel.
that's like garbage.
We're in our well, this is their room, but we have a connecting room on the other side. I don't know. Is
You know what
there
you could even do that?
is there a door
Put it
here?
up here. Because then you can open
Wait,
it.
is where's the connecting door?
Here.
Am I 424?
Probably you're.
I know you're 425.
Yeah, I think you're this.
Oh, so it's this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. Unlock it. And then they'll have to open their side too. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
We'll just wait for it to be open. I think you might need to put. Oh, sorry. I think you might need to put like a bag or something there. Can you open that door?
Are you sleeping here? You have to sleep here. Should I? You want to? Yeah. Do it.
Who's gonna be in this room?
Me and Zena. Yeah.
And Malika?
Molly has her own bed.
I'm over there.
She's 50-50 here.
I'm gonna do one night over there.
Yeah. And one night here.
Where's Mo sleeping?
Over there, probably. Over there? Yeah. Yeah?
Am I coming? Mommy, can you take my stuff?
Here. I have 50-50.
Ooh, mirror pig. So apparently we reserved the whole hallway. Whoops. But yeah. Would you guys like a room tour? I'll give you a room tour. Why not? So come in. I actually haven't seen this. I don't know how to put the bathroom light on. How do you put the bathroom light on? How do you put the bathroom light on? How do you put the bathroom light on? Oh, yeah, that would work. We have the bathroom. Oh, that's the fan. That, I don't know what that does, but now there's a bathroom light. It's really loud. We have a mirror. I already showed you.
It's cool.
Mirror. We have a bed. This. And we have our little view. And then we have I have a key for their room.
Okay, who's coming now?
And then we have
Where's your key, man? Did I give you a key?
Yeah.
and then we have this room. Yeah.
So I can close the door.
We have this room, which is a connecting room. It's this room. Everybody say hi to my vlog.
Hi. I locked it for now.
Huh?
Hi what?
Vlog.
Hi log?
My
Blog.
vlog. Oh, someone's ducking. Oh, we have this. We're going to get pizza. Everyone's wearing raincoats. I'm not. I think so. Mommy said. Oh, but she said that everyone went to the lobby. Really? Okay. Yeah. I guess they're gonna come down. Yeah, everyone's at the lobby right now.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. It is still raining. Why am I not wearing a hood? It's like spitting. It's spitting rain. It's spitting rain.
Look, I'm vlogging too.
You're vlogging?
Nah, I'm not vlogging. I'm playing.
It's
Hi, vlog.
It's like spitting rain.
Can I?
It's not that cold. I thought it would be cold outside.
Are they by the car?
No,
I don't know.
We're going to the falls.
Where did my mother and father go? Yeah, we walked down the stairs because the elevator was gonna take too long. I swear.
They came down though.
Yeah, I swear I just saw them. Maybe they went to Flea's room.
They might be at the back.
Like that back?
Because that's where the cars
They are.
They are? Oh, okay.
Your dad is here.
Oh, yes, he is.
Where?
Hi, father. He's like walking with a.
I thought they were coming down.
I think they might be in
Mommy
the
was
lobby.
coming to find you.
Their door was open. Like the thing was in it still.
I'm going to update you guys when we get pizza. We're all gonna go get pizza now. She's wearing a raincoat. You need to be prepared for all weather.
Vlog.
It's actually kind of like.
Hi, Fua. Oh, everyone's getting in this now?
Oh, is everyone getting it? I was getting up.
Wearing it, you feel weird. Hi, would you like to say hi to my vlog?
Hi!
Where are we going?
We are in Niagara Falls.
No, but where are we going?
We're going down the falls.
We're not going down the falls.
We're going to the falls.
Are we going to Clifton Hill?
We're going to Clifton Hill.
Are we going to the falls first? Are we walking?
We're walking to Clifton Hills first and then to the falls.
We have our walking shoes on.
Actually, I'm glad I have a little spot.
Where is this pizza place? We are? Then when are we gonna eat? I'm a little hungry.
This is a big patio.
It's just a big patio. There's chairs here. It's Italiano. It's truly authentic Italian. Since Papa, since 1964.
Before you were born.
Yeah, this is true. It's very true.
No, you go like down there somewhere.
You got this? I hope I do. We're getting pizza now. We're at Papa John's. This video is not sponsored. Mom, you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
This is going.
There's no Elizabeth.
What? No. This is going on my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. I'm with Maliha today in Niagara Falls by Ramada.
So we're back at the hotel now. We're actually gonna order some pizza from Pizza Hut. Not Papa John's, not sponsored. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're actually gonna get it from Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut's not sponsoring this video. Moment of silence for Pizza Hut not sponsoring our video. Anyways, yeah, so we're back in the hotel, and I'm gonna change into sweats because like I'm really cold, and I kind of just want to eat pizza on my hotel bed in sweats and just enjoy life. So I'll see you guys in a bit when the pizza gets here, because while I wait, I'm just probably gonna make some TikToks. So yeah. Will you remember me in 6 seconds?
What?
Will you remember me in 6 seconds?
Will I remember you in 6 seconds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will you remember me in 6 minutes?
Yeah.
Will you remember me in 6 hours?
I'd like to think so.
6 months?
I'd like to think so.
6 years?
Yeah.
Knock knock.
Hi, Malia.
No, you messed it up.
Oh, slick.
You
I
messed
know.
it up.
I told you I remember.
No.
I never forget nothing.
No. We're back in the room now. Well, not officially, just like I'm back in the room now. But yeah, it's been a really long day. I didn't actually do anything, but you know, we walked a lot. I don't really like exercise, but it's fine. I'm wearing sweats now. I did my cute little socks. Appreciate it. If you don't, I don't really care. Anyways, I'm gonna take off my contacts because I've been wearing them for a very long time. So yeah, and then I'm going to take off my makeup later because I'm just really lazy to take off my makeup right now because I have to use my cleanser and I have to do my little skincare routine and my night routine. I don't want to do that yet, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, and I see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of Niagara, which is part 2. I'm ready. I got ready. This is my outfit. It's cute. I have my mask. We're going for breakfast and we're taking a picture right now.
Nini, come.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,
Oh, she's on the phone.
I thought we were.
Okay, hurry up.
Can we take a picture, please?
She's on the phone.
Look here.
Punky, look
Here.
here.
Here. BJ, where's BJ? Come, Nalini.
Papa's a kid too.
Yeah.
Papa's with all the
me only.
kids.
He's looking at me. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go. I'm hungry.
Thank you. I'm hungry too. Everyone say hi to part 2 of my vlog.
Yeah, your foot rests in it a little bit more.
Everyone say hi to
The only
part
thing
2.
is now they have paint all over them.
No.
Hello.
Really?
Say hi to part 2 of my
Hi,
vlog.
vlog. Hi.
Everyone say hi to my vlog.
Did we bring? Yeah, you brought the wireless charger.
Boba, say hi to my vlog.
I vlog.
Melody.
Yeah, it was my mom.
Say hi.
Did you tell her the cake was good?
Mommy, Papa, say hi to my vlog.
Something else.
Did you guys have the cake?
Okay.
Jamming, we're all jamming.
Where is she? We're in the linear in the middle.
We were dancing for hours.
And then 4 have to sit on that side. So.
Okay, I think it's gonna be us.
Gotta get out of the car, guys. I don't know if I can take my headband with me. I feel weird with it. Maybe I just won't take it. Ah.
Thanks, though.
Here, gentlemen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Say hi on my vlog.
Oh no! Your legs are gonna get all wet.
Yeah.
Oh, your new shoes.
My vlog.
No, not your new shoes.
Bye.
Hi.
This is Niagara Part 2. Okay, so we're at breakfast now. I'm getting the just eggs, which is like 2 egg fried. Ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
So we're at breakfast now,
Her face is
and
really
I
white.
got scrambled eggs
Yes.
and toast. What did you order?
I like cream.
Veggie Benedict with tomatoes.
What did you order?
Fruit bowl.
What did you order?
I was supposed to order the pancakes. So that she knew I was gonna eat something. She feels sorry for you. She's like, I'll give you a large
What did you order?
I got the veggie benedict
Without tomatoes.
without tomatoes because when they're cooked, they're the world. I can't talk. They're disgusting.
I don't like marmalade. Do you like marmalade? Do you like marmalade?
I love
Try
marmalade.
it and tell us if it's
I don't
a
like
good one.
marmalade. Just lick it. No.
What is it?
This is marmalade. I can't smell anything.
Try it.
It smells like nothing.
It does.
Fine,
No,
I'll
it
try
smells like orange. I smell orange.
I'm gonna make my own jam.
There's stuff in it.
Yeah, it's orange peel. It's orange zest.
Why?
Yeah.
Why is there orange zest?
It tastes like
We should have asked for a bigger table.
why? You feel too squished with us? You don't like it? Because you have to put it on toast.
Why would
With
you
butter.
Just put it in your mouth?
It's probably too sweet.
You want to try all my breakfast, but you don't want to try the marmalade?
You two should switch. I know. And this is too much.
Is what I used to go through. Thank God somebody else is going through.
I was having steak and fries, and it looks real good.
It's like a. Yeah, it's very.
Can I try it? I want to try
I
it.
just feel like I wouldn't use
I want
orange
to try it.
jam.
I feel like using it.
Yeah, I would never use orange jam.
You know what? I
Why
thought
not?
that, but it's
I tend to have orange juice with my.
No,
let's vlog you. Is it vlogging?
Yeah. Here.
Maliha, you're
That's a
doing
lot.
jam mukbang.
That's a lot. Can I not take that
You're
much?
doing a jam.
Whoa, no.
I don't want it.
Try
That's like you can't even taste it. It's a little. Okay, are you gonna try them all? I think the grape one would be really bad.
What do you think?
No, I don't want
It tastes like a medicine that I used to eat.
No, it's so delicious.
Do you want the rest of it?
No.
The fruity?
Okay, but I don't want this.
Just close your eyes and have it.
Actually, we're gonna have to go back to the hotel.
I know,
There's like peels in it.
If I drink this coffee, I'm gonna have to pee.
There's a peel.
Really?
Yo, that's a peel.
How much fun did you drink?
That's a peel.
Eat it.
No.
About the number.
I've already suffered enough.
Does anybody want water?
I don't like how I can eat the jam.
This one has no ice.
It's like crunchy. It's like one of my big ones.
This one doesn't have much ice in it.
I'm just gonna put my spoon somewhere else.
I force feed you
Right.
one. This one will have all this a big chunk. Oh, this
Do
one
I should have my bag?
Actually, I will. That one
Don't drink it. Don't drink it.
No.
We put salt in his coffee.
What if he doesn't even know? Why she did that?
I feel like
Why
it's
she did that?
You should put like because it's not
We didn't
actual.
put enough.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Just go. Mix it.
I ordered this thing.
Let's see if it's enough.
Yeah, try it on your spoon.
I don't think you can go. Ali.
Oh, he's coming.
Hey guys,
He's coming.
eat before it becomes tango.
Woody, did you change your order?
What? No, we're not playing with it.
We're not doing anything.
We'll be like, okay, they refilled your thing, put some sugar in.
Let him put it.
Because you still taste the salt.
Oh, there's a fly in my coffee.
That's karma.
It wasn't even mine.
No, wait, Zinni, you'll have to ask after. Because you're gonna have to ask after because she's gonna bring you one and then he's gonna want one and then she's gonna be like, fine. Okay, we need to put more. Okay, never mind.
Okay, how do you want me to give you this? How shall I give you this?
Boba, say hi to my vlog.
Split it or wait for you?
Boba, say hi to my
How should
vlog.
I give you this?
I vlog. This is like the 4th time I said it.
I know. We have a breakfast.
But I'm sharing with you. You're my friend.
This is my breakfast. I was gonna use this butter. And then she has pancakes.
Zigzag.
Zigzag.
This one's a nice G.
Cutting you. Yes.
Mohammed Nefateli.
Zigzag. Zigzag.
Do you want to cut one in half?
No, I'll just give you a whole one. I don't know what's wrong with him. He keeps getting up and like walking away.
Should we add more? Should we add more to it? Should we add more? No. We added sugar.
Everyone.
Should I order another one first?
Yeah, I think you'll have to.
Should we add more?
For him. Where'd he go? Where is he? You'll at least get when he gets back. I think
Yeah.
I should at least get that for him.
Yeah.
Put some funny.
Yeah,
Like some water?
What'd you put in there?
It
Salt?
was your sister's idea.
What's salt in there?
Zinni was all
Excuse me?
I actually put the salt in there and then Didi added one.
And added what?
Added more.
Yeah?
I think she was in a rush with me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, thanks for just killing my whole breakfast.
I didn't want to do it.
I did.
I felt bad
Zinni's
about it.
like, yeah, we need to do that.
Yeah.
We're like, alright, Zinni. Wow.
If you really want to, fine, I'll humor you.
Was it just salt?
Yeah.
What else did it taste like?
Marmalade?
Oh my god.
We talked about marmalade, but we didn't do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
It's alright because I did swallow.
You did?
You
No.
did it?
Oh, then you go and spit it
I
out.
tasted it instantly.
Maybe.
If we need a car from there, few of us can
I got a lollipop. How was your breakfast?
Delicious.
How was your breakfast? It's good. It was good.
It
was eventful.
And then we'll go.
It was very eventful. Maya, say hi. Hi. Hey.
My fluffy, frizzy hair.
Are you wearing sandals?
I look
Did I wear my
like a
sandals?
rat, but that is okay.
No, you don't look like a
I look like a rat.
cute mouse. I was gonna take my sneakers.
It's not the same
Are you
thing.
really?
It's a little chaotic, but I changed my sweater. We got back from breakfast. We went to a shoe store. Didn't buy anything because didn't see anything in my size either. So we're walking to Clifton Hill now, and I think we're gonna go play some mini golf. So yeah, who's ready to play mini golf? Who's ready to golf? Who's ready to go? No one's answering me. Who's ready to golf? I thought you were talking to yourself. I'm not. I'm talking to you.
I thought you were talking to yourself in the mirror.
Buddy, are you ready to golf?
Yes, I am.
Are we all golfing?
I'm golfing.
I don't need to golf.
Are you gonna golf?
They won't let us all go in.
Are you gonna golf?
It's 4 at a time.
Yeah.
No, you can all
Are you gonna
in.
golf? Stop doing that. Why are you doing that? I really want Dippin' Dots. What do you want?
I don't think
I want Dippin' Dots too.
Oh my gosh, my hair is so like curly.
I like it.
Just dye it though.
Oh, I think I have heard this
Are
song.
you gonna get sorry?
I always see what you're doing.
Dippin' Dots?
Yeah.
No, I want
Whenever I blow dry my
I want a
hair,
funnel
it goes
cake.
more or less like straight. I'm
But with
Do they have
humidity,
funnel cake?
just
Do they have funnel
like you
cake?
should see it down south. They're waiting downstairs.
Oh, that works.
We all had our, fill, and we're good now. We left you with all the stuff that needs to be soaked in ice cream.
It's because that means now.
There's a stain on me. Why do I feed my clothes? Get away.
And it's done.
Where is he going? Oh, the Harley Davidson. Oh, ice! Your favorite!
No, I'm okay, thank you. Just one? Okay, I'll have just one. Very cold.
Where are you holding the
Okay, I'll
ice?
eat it.
Where'd you get it?
From Maya. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Ice.
It's so cold. So cold.
We took some pictures, and I think, what are we doing now?
Is it pictures or are you?
No, this is a video.
Oh.
But we took some pictures, and now where are we going?
Oh, that's what you mean.
Yeah, where are we
I was
going?
like, let's take a picture.
Yeah,
I was
we
like,
can take a picture.
Picture.
Okay, where are you going now?
To the other falls.
To the Canadian Falls? Because we're not actually at the Canadian Falls. They should have put the Canadian Falls here and then the US Falls there.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like it would be like less of a walk.
Well, as long as it has the horseshoe.
This is true.
Right?
Yeah. What is the shape of the? What's the shape of the US Falls?
Just a stick.
This would be a nice area for a picnic. We should come have a picnic.
We're lucky we didn't get rain on today.
I know. It actually was a really nice day today. But it's really muggy. I need some air conditioning.
It has a breeze.
It does have a breeze.
A few moments later.
So, we left a few people behind at the falls, and now we're going back to the hotel. Well,
Through snake-infested kingdom.
through like we were gonna hike today, but there's a bunch of like stairs that will get us faster to the
There's
location
no way
that
they would have walked.
we need to go to.
They would have been like, no, get the car. Bring the car in.
Let's go back. Give the
Turn my
kids.
mosquito thing on.
Oh,
Protect all of
okay.
Can you just be in the middle then?
Yeah, just stand in the middle.
Here, get in the middle. Get in the middle.
Thank you for visiting Niagara Park.
This is actually quite.
You're very welcome.
I think some of them would have liked this. Some of them.
I don't think a
Nobody
mom
with the
would eat.
stroller.
No. Oh, you know what? These stairs,
They're little stairs.
they're not that bad. Why did I wear?
No.
Why did I wear skinny jeans to come up on a hike?
We just want to go up the stairs. Is it by the time you get it on?
We'll be done.
Oh, how many stairs are there?
Just a few.
Do we know?
I don't think so. I really, we're still going uphill, right?
I'm not wearing sneakers.
I'm not wearing the best walking shoes. I'm wearing Vans.
Shut up, look, you're walking for your thing. I'm supposed to there till tomorrow.
I'm
We're
not-
doing it a day early. We need to ice my feet.
Can we
I
just
will sit in the tub.
talk about this? Wait. Can we just talk about this nice jungle lighting?
Yeah. I'm feeling a little out of shape.
Me too.
Maybe we look at this cool that water bottle.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what I was saying.
Well, if I'd known this was the way we were going. This is way harder.
I think I would have preferred. Oh my God, there's more. I don't see the end yet.
Oh, I see the end. I see a sign.
I don't think that's the end though.
You don't?
No.
This is the steepness of the concrete.
This is our long walk.
Okay, let's just wait.
I feel like these are stairs, but I feel like I'm slipping. Maybe wearing skinny jeans was the wrong idea.
I feel like I have to change again for dinner.
Me too. I was gonna do that anyways, but yeah. I feel really out of shape. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Can't talk.
Oh yeah, that is the end.
It's not bad.
Oh, Where?
Oh!
Oh, maybe it was here. Did you carve your thing here?
You did it.
Did you do that? But you said you carved something. Oh.
Mo didn't walk this trail before.
Oh. It's the first time.
There's no way the parents took us up this trail.
No. I think we would not even want to go up here as kids.
I wouldn't mind if it was cooler.
Yeah. It's more like you're in a muggy forest with like... And I'm really, really thirsty. Oh, there's more stairs to get. Are you sure this is not the zip lining thing? Maybe this is the zip lining thing.
No, I think I would just buy the ticket and do it.
You know what? I would too.
Oh, there's a breeze here at least.
At least we made it at some point.
We haven't made it yet. Eh?
This is correct. Oh. I'm down to just get sprayed with a hose at this point.
Oh no, it's the wrong side.
Oh no.
Gotta go.
I would not even care.
I'd be like, oh.
Okay, I'd be like, first come pick us up.
The car.
We're walking on a road now. But isn't this close to our hotel?
Yeah, the hotel's right behind that
Then where's the car?
Gonna be that way.
Oh. But I don't see a car.
Down this way? Really? But that's going backwards.
Are you sure you're following the right thing? What if we went backwards? Oh look, it's the Skyline Tower, everybody.
Oh, are you sure it's not this way? Actually, that counts. Right now, 2 minutes counts.
2 minutes? I would like to step it up. They are very cute. Hey look everybody, we made it to the Skyline Tower.
I saw the hunter ones there, but they're so they're expensive. Yeah. They're usually like $400 though, aren't they?
Yeah, but I still feel for
We
literally
Yeah,
came
it's so expensive.
from that side.
It's such a, like,
And now
university.
we're on the very opposite of it.
At Western, I forever go with
And we're now at a place that looks like an airport. This kind of looks like an airport. Like the airport, like underground stuff. Yeah, with like the arrows on the road and
How
stuff.
does this look underground? It's literally
Okay, maybe not underground, but like you can imagine it being.
trees around it. There's a huge lawn.
You can imagine it. You can imagine it being underground. If you use your.
They don't have underground ways for the airplanes. It's all about her.
But they have the arrows on the road.
Airplanes go in the sky, not underground.
I know, but they have cargo planes.
Underground?
They have that like Captain Marvel, they had like a plane that was like in a garage type of thing.
I like that I'm not gonna have to yeah, right. Even if you keep those few buttons open, it doesn't really feel like.
The problem
with that dress is
that it does? I'm gonna try it.
It is kind of
It is very nice actually backwards. I don't actually know where I'm going though.
Yes. But I feel like
Didi, backwards is nice.
there's a car coming through right now. They'll be on this side.
Come at me, bro.
No, don't come at him, bro.
Hopefully they honk at me. They're always supposed to walk on the side, on the right opposite.
It's very scenic, like view.
What's up? Mal Vlogs 20110, right?
201. What's 20110?
20110.
2010?
I'll just take a pull.
201. Oh no. 20110.
Yeah, isn't this like a 20,000th vlog or something?
I don't
I
know.
hear it.
Did your vlog start on like TikTok?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah. So
This is like number like
20,000.
No, this is like number like
last time it was like 800 and something.
no. This one was like the last one was like 66. This is like 60. I already did 67, so this is like 68.
What's up? My vlog 68. What's poppin'? What's poppin', my vlogs?
You should be my spokesperson for my vlog channel. Just like you should like, oh, you know what you should do? There's those like videos of like brother does like voiceovers and stuff.
Brother does voiceover?
Yeah, like for like, yeah, I should do like me like putting like makeup on and then you like voice over it. It'd be funny. That'd be really funny.
Down. Let's do it.
Yes. Hello, everybody in the back.
You gotta talk to your people on a vlog.
I'm still talking to my people.
You gotta talk to them. You don't gotta talk to the people around you.
Well,
Talk to them, because they're watching you.
this is correct. Hello. That's the way I start my vlog.
Hello.
Hello. Oh wow, that there's a volcano thing for the mini golf here with the dinosaurs and stuff. And like every few minutes it would like go off, and it always scares me because of the loud noise.
I feel like snakes are always around like ponds.
I don't like snakes.
I had a dream once, like many years ago, that I was like in a pool full of snakes. Not even kidding.
You know, apparently that means like,
So Papa was like, oh, it means you're in like you think everything is cool, but there's people out to get you.
oh my god.
So it doesn't represent.
Okay, for those of you watching my vlog, what would you like to be called? Because here's the thing, my slogan is kill the haters with kindness. I don't want to call them haters.
But you gotta kill the haters. Obviously, they're not haters.
Yeah.
They're watching you.
So then what should I, the
lovers?
killers?
The killers.
The killers? Isn't that a band though? What?
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Is it? What should I?
The hate killers.
The hate.
The hillers.
The hillers.
The Malu hillers.
The Malu hillers. The Malinators. That's a little weird. The Hatinators.
Yeah.
The like Terminator, but like with hate. Like the
I think
Hatinators.
it's a little too long.
Nah, maybe not. I don't know. You guys can come up with it. Give us suggestions.
No, that's it. The lovebirds.
The lovebirds.
Not the lovebirds. The lovebird.
The love what?
What's the opposite of hate?
Love.
What's the opposite of kill?
Save. Kill.
Savers. The love savers.
The love sabers. Like a lifesaver.
The lightsaber.
A lifesaver. I don't know. You guys can come up with the name. I'm really bad at coming up with names. We made it to the car. Can we come back and park here?
I don't know what to put it on.
Can be zucchini.
Yesterday, you were saying,
Yeah.
this is why I don't open it.
something.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone. So, we got ready, and now we're going to dinner. And
Ring the galaxy one.
They close it?
oh, it's a cute one. I'm wearing this one.
Huh?
And this is my outfit.
Close it.
I have my nice little feelers on.
It matches.
Cute. My actual outfit. This is what my dads are wearing. My dad's wearing this. Show them your outfit. Your outfit. Mother, show them your outfit.
Navy and blue. Navy and white. And Baba's light blue.
Why are you wearing your mask already?
Because.
We're not going out yet.
I should bring this
So yeah. Also, if anybody wanted to know where my outfit's from, this is from Ardeen. This is from one of my aunts.
Are you ready?
Earrings are from my cousin. She bought them for me. And then my shoes are from today. And then this sweater, I don't actually know where this is from. I think it's from H&M, but I could be wrong. But yeah, and then my scrunchies are from Amazon. Oh. So yeah. Where are we going?
Dinner! I look like a psycho.
That's good, right? That's fun.
What would you call this food? It's like Mediterranean.
I think so.
You don't like it.
This tie is kind of funny.
Why?
I think it's cute.
You are 60.
Trying to.
Why is there just an iron board?
Iron her shirt.
It's like right in front of your bed.
No, mine is like super wrinkly though. Like mine was super wrinkly, that's why.
Everyone's wearing blue and white except for me. I'm literally wearing pink and black and white, and I am not wearing blue and white.
Our feet match.
I know, because you bought those shoes after.
I didn't buy them.
I'm wearing different shoes.
What did you do?
Come. The dryer's fixed.
How did you fix the dryer? Like the hair dryer? We're going to dinner now.
I have a better selfie mode.
We're going to dinner.
Oh, is this a video?
Yeah. We're going to Casa. Is it Casablanca? Hi. And they're taking a picture.
Really?
Ellie's here.
1, 2, 3.
You know what's so funny? I was vlogging and I never introduced anyone like about like who they were. I just introduced like who's Ali.
Yeah.
Say who you are.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
I'm Didi's cousin.
I'm Aliha's assistant.
No, she's my sister.
I'm her boss.
Yeah, we can. You wanna?
Technically, in a week, you will be my boss.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Like it's a big deal. It kind of is.
Say hi to my vlog. That's one way to say hi to my vlog. Understand why we're going through a gas station. We didn't take this road to get here before. Okay. We didn't take this road to get here before. Don't know why we're going this way.
Is this where we're going? No. I was like, this sounds fun. Let's go here.
Yeah, let's go there. I love this song. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
A few moments later.
We're at dinner at the table. And
So much humidity. My hair is so frizzy.
And they did this thing where like they told us not. They told us not to wear masks in the beginning, and we were all like really confused because we were like, we always wear masks. And so I know the like right here, the middle part's hitting me. But yeah, we're at dinner now, and this is our table. Our table. More people are coming
like we're in a
soon.
pandemic here.
I will update you when the food comes.
I feel like
We are back now. My hair is a little bit of a mess, and that's okay. But anyways, I am probably gonna go for a shower, and then I'm gonna hang out for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I will see you guys tomorrow in part 3, which is also gonna be included in this vlog. So yeah, bye. Hello everyone, and welcome to the 3rd day of my Niagara trip. We are actually leaving today. So yeah, but before we leave, where are we going before we leave?
We're going to Niagara on the Lake, Orto Beach.
Niagara on the Lake,
We're doing
Orto
a picnic
Beach.
today.
We're gonna do a picnic today, and I'm wearing my sunflower shirt. Probably the worst day to wear a sunflower shirt. All the bees are gonna chase after me. Every single bug's gonna chase after me. But it's okay. Also, I'm wearing different earrings. I'm wearing different
Did you
earrings
say
today.
rompers?
Huh?
I didn't say me a thing. Did you say rompers?
I want rompers.
You have enough clothes.
I have one romper.
You have 2 rompers.
I have 2 rompers. This is true.
So I had to go to the bathroom.
But I actually did not go to the bathroom in my romper yesterday. This is my outfit, if anybody wanted to know. Yeah. My hair is a little bit of a mess. I washed it yesterday, and then for some odd reason, like I went to bed and I was like really sweating, and then it turned out to be like this. So I don't really know what happened, but all my bags are packed. I actually managed to pack this one because I put half my dirty clothes in another bag, and it actually cleared space in my bag. So yeah. It's the last day. And how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Sad.
You feel sad? Yeah. I'm just tired. Like I look tired.
No, she's gonna, let me tell you something. She's gonna go to bed as soon as we get home. She's gonna go to bed.
I'm not gonna bed as soon as we get home. I have to edit this video and then post it, and then I'll go to
I
bed.
thought you posted it.
It just keeps blowing everywhere. We're leaving today. How do you feel?
Excited to go to Niagara on the Lake, but also sad that the weekend's almost over.
Yes.
I've never been there before.
Niagara on the Lake?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever driven there.
I don't remember what it is.
Me neither. But like I always see, like I've looked up like cottages in the area, and that's where they are.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know there were cottages here. I guess
Like,
a lot
if
of people
live around here. It's like over there.
Oh. My hair has a lot of flyaways.
I knew someone from Edmonton who was like born in Niagara.
Oh. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
We're outside. It's really windy. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh no. Ollie. It's very windy. My hair is everywhere. I had to tie it up because it's really windy. So yeah. We're at like a vineyard and like a chapel type of thing. And
That's the Honda.
apparently there's a bunch of fruits on trees.
And the one your friend drives is a
So yeah.
It's a red car, Papa. You asked me what kind of car she drives. I said red.
We're at the beach.
I don't know if I'll need. I might bring mine because what if I want to reapply deodorant? I did already.
We're at the beach.
Wait. I have to go pee a little bit too, but not completely. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take my water bottle.
I'm gonna take my. Are you taking your purse?
I'm gonna take my purse, yeah.
Okay, I'll
Just in case, because I don't really know what we're doing. I'm really. Are you getting it? I am, but I'm like really.
I have like eye bags under my eyes that I don't really want.
I'm so tired. Oh, that's
Me
not
too.
hot.
I was trying to take a nap in the car, and then I don't actually know what
That was a
happened.
really hot breeze.
It was a very warm breeze.
Chicken and rice in a different car.
In a different car.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind chicken and rice. I'm not a huge like.
Fish and chips person?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fish and chips person either.
windy.
Ugh. I need to get out of the car.
This is not nice. I think we should go home.
Is it like, oh, it's a hot breeze. I don't know how I feel about the hot breeze. It's so hot.
Everything has its end. Don't worry about it.
We're on. I can't run on hot sand.
It is hot. It's a nice. Let's see massage.
Okay, but like apparently the water is like really, really cold. Yeah. Honey, it's so hot. Okay. Oh.
I'm just gonna sit here. I feel better here.
Oh, it's cold. It's so cold.
Oh, the damn rocks. I don't think I know.
It's so cold. It's. I want to try skipping a rock.
I am getting my pen.
It's very cold. Oh, it's so cold. I feel like I'm getting frostbite on my feet.
Put your feet just in the wet sand, and you get the occasional water. Oh, don't throw all these shoes.
I'm coming to sit next to you.
You're gonna die.
Oh.
You can come share with us.
Oh.
How many people are there? It looks really bad.
It's
That other people
so
there.
cold.
Okay, you tell.
I'm gonna try to skip a rock with my left hand.
Oh, it fell, Maya.
That's not how you skip a rock.
A few moments later.
We're back home. We finished the beach and now we're back home. And yeah, and my bed was not made from the time that I left, and I thought it was, but I guess it wasn't. So I'm excited to get back in it. But anyways, thanks for watching this vlog, and I will see you all in another one. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Bye. And kill the haters for kindness. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next vlog.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.